Hello everyone, welcome to Techie Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust the screen brightness on your Windows 11 computer. Now there are two ways you can do it. The first one is by going to the control center, and the second one is using the buttons on your keyboard. Now I'm going to show you the process for both. Now the first one is by going to the control center, so just move your mouse pointer to the battery icon here and then click on it. And here you can see an icon that is like a sun, and using this slider you can adjust the brightness. So if you move it to the right, the brightness will increase, and if you move it to the left, the brightness will decrease. You may not be able to see it on the screen here because this is a screen record. Now the second way is using the buttons. So what you need to do is just press and hold the FN key from your keyboard and then press F6 to increase the brightness, as you can see here, and press F5 to decrease the brightness. Now depending on laptop brands, these brightness increase or decrease icons may be on a different function key. So all you need to do is just look for this icon, which is like a sun icon inside a rectangle, and once you find that icon you can just use one to increase the brightness and the other one to decrease the brightness. Unfortunately, this feature is not available in a desktop computer. For a desktop computer, you need to use the physical buttons on your monitor to increase or decrease the brightness. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.